mamas, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kirtana and I am sharing my motherhood experience. I hope this will be helpful for all the budding mamas out there. In this video, I will be sharing about normal delivery stitch care. During the normal delivery, there might be a perineal tear to take the baby outside and it will be stitched back. So it is very important to take care of the stitch, and in this video we'll be seeing few tips for quick healing and also to avoid infections. It usually dissolves within 1 to 2 weeks. So during this period, you might have a little pain or discomfort while you're trying to walk or sit, and you may also have some pain while coughing or sneezing. So it is very normal. So here are few tips or things that I followed after my delivery. So the first thing is like taking ample amount of rest. It is very important to take ample amount of rest during this period. Make sure that you don't carry anything heavy or you don't do anything which might cause pressure on the stitches. Try to sit and sleep in a comfortable position. So you might use a pillow while sitting, or you can use a lay back. Do make sure you get someone's support if required. So in case of feeding or something else, just make sure that you are getting someone's help, so you don't put pressure on the stitches. The second tip is to use sanitary pads. I hope everyone will be using that. So it is to lock the post delivery bleeding. And the main thing to note is that you have to change that regularly, like within 3 to 4 hours. The next tip is to maintain vaginal hygiene. So it is very important that you keep the area clean. Whenever you go to pee, just make sure that you wash that area with plain water, or you can use warm water, and you have to wait it until it's dry. So you can wait for a few minutes to get it air dried, or you can use some clean tissue papers and pat it dry, like pat it gently, and you can make the area dry and then wear your underwears. In few cases, a doctor may also recommend antiseptic solutions. So you can also use antiseptic diluted water in that case. The next step is air exposure. So it is very important for healthy and quick healing. Let the area be free, like for 10 to 15 minutes you can remove your underwear and just leave the area free, so you get a good air exposure to that area. It promotes quick healing, and it is also very relaxing to do. So I highly recommend doing this. You can do this like 2-3 times a day. You can leave the area free for like 10 to 15 minutes. And the next step is to wear comfortable innerwears and pants. So make sure that you are using cotton innerwears, or which is very comfortable, and also pants or pajamas, or you can also wear nighties. So whatever is comfortable to you and that area, you should opt dressing accordingly. So the next step is to avoid constipation. It is very important to avoid constipation during this period, since constipation is very common during pregnancy and after delivery. Just keep an eye on this, because the constipation, it puts pressure on the stitches. So it is very important to avoid constipation. In case you feel like you're getting constipated, contact the doctor immediately, so that you can use some stool softener or laxative which the doctor recommends, and naturally you can eat fiber rich food which prevents constipation. The next step is to avoid intercourse. It's obvious that no one is gonna have intercourse during this period, but it is very important because it will damage the stitches and it might cause infection. So it is very important that you avoid intercourse during this period. And then you can use hot and cold compress. So you can start with an ice pack and then you can move on to hot pack. This promotes quick healing, and it also helps with swelling as well. So if you feel like it's relaxing or it's helping in healing, you can try cold compress and hot compress. And the next step is to use sitz bath. It's like you have a tub and you put some warm water and few antiseptic solution into that, and then you sit on that. Make sure that the stitches are in contact with the water. You sit there for around 10 to 15 minutes, and this will promote quick healing. So you can try sitz bath. These are few tips and tricks that work for me, and I hope this will be helpful for all the new mamas. In case if you're having heavy bleeding or pain and any infection kind of thing, just contact your doctor immediately. It is very important to take care then and there. One thing I want to mention here is that it is believed that pouring very hot water over that area dissolves the stitch faster and it promotes quick healing. But personally, I don't recommend that. Please consult your doctor before doing any such activities. So during this initial days, do not stress yourself like it's my baby, I have to take care of my baby, and I'm very strong. So though these thoughts might be running inside you, you are strong and you are going to take care of the baby for the rest of your life. Make sure that during this period you seek help from your loved ones and you get good rest, good healing, and have a relaxed delivery period. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and support. If you have any video recommendations, do comment below. Thank you. Bye bye, mommies.